How to download and install Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can find this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Power Director. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Here on the bottom, hit on install. So the process has started. So what is this app about? Basically, this is an editing app. Here you can edit different videos and make different cuts too. Now it's getting installed and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.